Hello. Today, my name is Pawan Chandrasekhar. Today's date is 20th of March 2024. Today's my topic is what is JDK, JRE and JVM. So let's discuss it one by one. First, we will discuss what is JVM. So JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is a virtual machine. It is a standard virtual machine. It is specific. It is a specification. It provides a runtime environment for the Java source code to run the applications. It contains uh, various parts. The main task of JVM is when we write a code in any edit. So the main task of JVM is to load that edited code. Then after loading this code, the next task of that JVM is verify this code. Either this code is follow the rules of JVM or rules of security JVM or not. Then after that, it verifies that code. Then this JVM converts this JVM in execute that source code, and after execution it gives the Java runtime environment. So it is about the JVM. The next part is JRE. What is JRE? So JRE stands for Java runtime environment. It is also called as Java RT. Why Java RT? That is, Java RT means Java runtime environment. So it is also called as Java runtime environment. So Java runtime environment is a set of software. It is a set of software tool that used to develop the Java applications and applets. So this JVM is used for developing the Java programs. So it contains some libraries and other files like it contains some other files also. So this is about the JRE. So the next part is JDK. So JDK acronymically stand for Java Development Kits. That is, the name itself shows that it is the development kit for the Java program, for the entire Java program. That is, when we write a Java program in any platform. So for loading, for verifying, for execution, for all those, Java needs any particular software or that. So this provided by JDK. So JDK is a set of software that used to developing a Java applications and applets. So basically JDK can convert any other language code when it compile into Java bytecode. So JDK is the main part of Java development part. So see, JDK has some its own edition also. So what's that editions are? So first one is first one is a standard Java edition, second one is a micro Java edition, and third one is enterprise Java edition. So these editions are user specific. Like if some users are just beginner user, so they do not need advanced type of Java project. So that's time they can use Java micro editions. Some users are specific to like banking and all, so that's time they need a specific software related to banking and that. So that's time Java provides them Java enterprise editions. And some users needs basic also, and some advanced, that's medium level of edition. So that's time Java provide them Java standard edition. So these are the editions of Java. JDK, what's actually JDK content? So JDK contains it compiler. After that, it's archiver and documentation generator, which makes the development process of the Java. So in overall, JDK is the base. JVM is the base of the Java development kit. Inside JVM there is JRE, which is help to run the program and execute the program. And JRE contains some set of libraries and other files also. And the main part is JDK. So JDK is the root, inside JDK there is JRE, and inside JRE there is JVM also. So JVM is a virtual machine, it does not physically exist, while JRE and JDK is a physical machines software, it is physically exist. So it is all about JDK, JRE and JVM. Thank you.